All right, so now we are on part 2 of investigating darkness on the moon, and we are doing that with modeling light and dark. So we're going to get into a modeling tool activity. So this is something new. So let me go ahead and get that loading. So it tells us what we're going to do here. We're going to show light and dark on the moon. And let me show you how it looks. So first of all, you can also find the instructions here. If you click there, it's the same that I have on the Google Doc. Okay, so we are in top view. So that's first thing to notice. So in our sim, which I still have open, it is this view right here, right? And let's see where I have the moon. It's somewhat like this is what the modeling tool is showing. So I could use the sim and kind of look at it if I wanted to. Let's go back to our directions. So we're going to press the pencil to edit the top view panel, and then we're going to drag a light shape to the moon, then rotate it to that light shape. So I am looking at this pencil right here. I'm going to click it, and notice that we're going to pick which moon we should use. I'm going to purposely grab a wrong one, but there is only one correct one that you should be grabbing. And then you put it on the moon. And then you need to rotate it to show where the light is. So notice that the sun is over here. So where should the light part be? So notice what I did right there is I clicked on it. I clicked rotate. And then I get this little guy. And then I drag it to show which side is light and which side is dark. Okay. So the position of the moon cannot be edited, right? Like we're not going to move the moon around here. This is where the moon is at. You can add a light shade to the Earth, but you don't need to. So notice that Earth right here is just Earth. I could, if I wanted to, give a light shade and I could rotate it just like the moon should be, but I don't have to. Notice that this looks a little bit more like our sim. Okay, so once I've gotten that all correct, and again, my moon is wrong, so I'm going to click that out because I want you to pick the correct one here. Okay, so once you have this all perfect, we're going to take a screenshot of our model and we are going to copy and paste it into here. I want to give you, I did go ahead and down here put the 2 ways you can do a screenshot. Most of you know this. I'm going to do this one. So it's shift. At the same time, you press control and then you do the show Windows key. It's this little key right above the 6. So if I do all 3 of those at the same time, okay, on my computer, I get this little guy that you can tell is like a little cross-shaped thing. And I'm going to go highlight over the section that I want to take a screenshot of. So I took a screenshot of just this. If you want to take a screenshot of your whole screen, it just makes it a little harder for me to read, but it's not that big of a deal. But your screenshot goes right here. And oh, why did it? Oh. Well, you guys witnessed my little difference between a Chromebook. And then you're going to put download your screenshot there. My Mac is slightly different. So I was thinking I was like a Chromebook, but I need to drag it. So there is my screenshot that I just took, okay? And then you're going to do this box. Use your model to help you answer the chapter 1 question. Why is there a border between light and dark on the moon? So use your model to explain that. And I also gave you all of the vocab for chapter 1 and the key concepts. So you should use those to help you give a really thorough and good answer to why is there a border between light and dark. All right, that is the assignment. Great work, Falcons.